Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, traders, and welcome to the 2164th edition. I believe this is probably 65th, but we'll let it go at 64 for now. To short-term trading live with Oscar. Actually, I just want to give you a quick update to the video we looked at last night. So please remember the risk involved in this game. Thank the Lord we had our stops in gold this morning because they sure did get hit. Risk is inherent here, and you can lose more than you have in your trading accounts. Please know this is not suitable for everyone. Futures and options can be dangerous, but let's get moving. So it is Thursday. It's Thursday morning, and I showed you this chart last night of Tesla's on deck, the Nasdaq, and I said, look, if we get underneath this 50-bar moving average, then we have to acknowledge this flag that's sitting here building. Well, let me show you what's happening now. I'm going to change the flag to a color that we can see. And look what's going on here. So there's actually now, it's a valid flag, bearish flag in your Nasdaq. And I'm going to add today's bar in. Look what happened. See, it was basically still trying to stay inside the channel and above the 50-bar moving average. Then Thursday's bar comes in right to the bottom of the flag. Bang. Now we're confirming that this is a bear flag. So just wanted to point that out to you guys. It did actually create or complete the signal this morning. It was a half signal last night, or an almost completed signal last night. As of this morning, you've got a completed signal. That is a bear flag under the channel below the 50-bar moving average in your Tesla's on deck or your Nasdaq. The other trade that we did was gold. And my bad, traders, we were stopped out very quickly, actually. My apologies. I thought we had a good one on our hands. Good thing we keep our stops in. So here's what happened. Last night I showed you that it looks like gold's finally starting to break out of this apex, if you will. It's a big pennant flag. And it already had a little bit of a jet underneath down here. It popped out for 2 days here. The OMNI signal started to get bullish, and we went long. But as I mentioned in last night's video, we were going to keep a very small stop because compared to the Nasdaq, the stop in gold isn't all that much. So if we lose in gold, it won't be nearly as bad as if we lose in Nasdaq. Well, let me show you what happened in gold. The bar went straight down to the bottom of the pennant flag, which it's basically that's what it's supposed to do. But I went with the breakout signal. It did not. It was a false breakout. We came right back down in gold to the bottom of the flag. So we were stopped out in gold, and it was absolutely a wrong trade. My apologies there. But I think the big news is looking at your Nasdaq. That is absolutely a bear flag on the Nasdaq. I mean, no two ways about it. That's what it is. And if you went through the other indices, they're basically all now creating bear flags. All right, traders, it looks like we'll end up on the short side of this market this evening. We'll see where it goes. Please join me in my free live trading room at livewithoscar.com. My apologies for that horrible gold trade. I did not expect that to happen, but thank the Lord our stops were in anyway, and we were okay in the end. Please remember, gold trade. Please remember, keep your stops in, put them in first, keep your emotions out of trading, and say this to yourselves every morning, every afternoon, every evening, and you know what that is. Stops are in. Emotions are out. Rock and roll traders, make sure those stops go in because of days like today. And I will see you all at livewithoscar.com.